Hi, in this video we are going to learn how we can create a split screen video using the iMovie app on iPhone. So let's get started. To create this simple demo, I have created a simple iMovie project with one video in it. Let us try to add one more video into the same. So the first step would be to position the marker. For adding the video, you need to make sure that this marker, the white marker that you have, is exactly at the position where you want to add the split screen video. This is really important to note that the video that you're trying to add, its length needs to be smaller than the existing video that you already have. This will make sure that you are able to insert the video, otherwise you may get into errors or unwanted clipping of the video. Now the second step is to add the video. To do this, you need to tap the video and tap on the plus icon that will open the menu, and here you can select the video and then go to the recently added videos. Then you should be able to select one of the videos that you want to add. So you can select the video, and on the video you may see a menu option that has three ellipses. Select the three ellipses. You will see the split screen option in the popover menu, and once you select that, the video will be added, and that's it. Now you should be able to see the split screen video in your project.